Assalamualaikum and peace be upon you. We are back in Sejarah Nusantara and kemudian Exchanger channel. Today I, owner of Sejarah Nusantara, will unboxing the box from FPS from Russia. Let's unboxing this. Okay, today we have a self-care kit from FPS. And then we have a cup from FPS. It's right, Forex Millionaire is coming. And then we have the bag, and we will open the bag. Okay, and then we have the wish card from no. And then we have the bag, the bag from FBS, and we will open it. Okay, and then we have a tea from Russia. A tea from Russia. Wow. Okay, thank you FBS. And then we have a wish card. Happy New Year. Okay, okay. And then we have a posh bag. We place it. And then we have okay, and the second last and the last thing we have a gift from BS, like a Santa Claus, right? And then we have a notebook from FBS, and the last thing of the gift is a pen. Okay, the end of the video, I say Assalamualaikum, goodbye, we love you. Long life FBS, long life FBS, long life FBS. Assalamualaikum.